April has always been an unfavorable month for the US dollar index. This year, the situation is no different. The US currency keeps on declining, but technical analysis indicates a possible increase in May. So we can only carefully monitor the situation. At the end of April, other currencies are likely to remain flat. However, at any time, everything may change. Let's take a closer look at what is going on in today's Asian session. The new week began with a protracted decline in the US dollar index. It has been dropping for 2 consecutive weeks. Although there was no negative fundamental news from the United States over the weekend. This is why the correction seems to be temporary. If you study the 10-year history of the US dollar index, you can see that April is always the least successful month for the US currency. For this reason, the greenback is most likely to regain ground in a week. It kicked off the new week at the level of 90.72 until tomorrow. A slight decline in the range of 90.55 and 90.80 is possible. In the long term, the price may bounce off the 90.30 level. If the US dollar gains momentum in May and follows the expected trajectory, it may lead to a decrease in commodity markets and currencies. The yuan reached the target level of 107.55 on Friday. After that, it abruptly retreated from this level. The quote fulfilled the scenario after hitting the target level and completed a downward correction from the high of March 31st. Now it may try to approach the next target levels of 110.40 and 112.20. This is only likely scenario, even if it most likely probable one. Technical indicators also signal an upward movement. In the short term, the quote is likely to reach the level of 108.40. Yet, the Bank of Japan's meeting is scheduled for tomorrow, which may slightly affect the yen. On Friday, the Australian dollar managed to break above the resistance level and consolidated there. This morning, it hit the target level of 0.7767. The quote is highly likely to aim to higher to the target level of 0.7610. Besides, no negative reports expected in the near time. It means that nothing can stop the Australian dollar from reaching the indicated level. In addition, there will be no major events or crucial macroeconomic data related to the Australian economy in the near future, and this makes the situation with the Aussie calm and predictable. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.